Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating this really cool painting. This is a painting of a pigeon in a house. Now, as you know, pigeons usually don't go in the house, but this particular pigeon is a fan of being in the house. So we have our pigeon, we have our background that is very colorful. He's standing on the wood floor and he has a word bubble, something that he is saying. So we'll talk about that inside the lesson. I wanted to explain to you the supplies and the materials that you will need for this lesson. The first thing that you'll need is paper. This is watercolor paper, and it's paper that's nice and thick and it holds water well. So if you have a thicker paper, it doesn't necessarily have to be watercolor paper, but a thick paper will do the best. We also have watercolor paints. I like this set because it has a lot of paint in it, a lot of variety of paint colors. We also need a pencil with an eraser. We need some fresh, clean water with 1 or 2 paintbrushes. If you only have 1 paintbrush, that's okay, that'll work. You'll also need some oil pastels or crayons. Either one will work. If you have both of these, I would suggest the oil pastels, but crayons will certainly work. You will also need a handy dandy paper towel for spills and to clean up if you spill a little bit or if you need to wipe something down. And you'll need a mat or something to put underneath your work area so that it stays nice and clean and does not let the paint touch the table or the floor or your work area wherever you're working. So I'm excited about this lesson, and I'll see you in a minute.